All right, this is the first recipe that I will be sharing with you guys, and I actually got it from a really good friend of mine, and Jesse and I just fell in love with it. This is the overnight oats. So there are packages out there that have pre-mixed stuff, but we like to make our own because it's just so easy. Just use this bowl, put stuff in bowl, and there you go. Mix it up, and it's just really, really tasty. So we use I'll post the recipe in the post as well. So we use the Greek yogurt. I prefer lactose free. You can choose whatever type you like. Again, we use the almond milk. You can choose whichever type you like. We prefer the taste of this one. Rolled oats are used. Again, those are the best ones just for mixing with all the stuff, and being overnight is what you have to use, is the rolled oats. And then blueberries are also in there. Frozen or fresh is fine. I think this time of year, frozen is what you'll get. Nuts, any kind you like. We like to use walnuts, so I crush a few of those up and throw them in there. Maple syrup gives a little bit of sweetness and that taste if you like that. If you don't have to use it in there. I put a dash of cinnamon in there because I love cinnamon and I just love the flavor that it gives. Golden seedless raisins. You can, again, those are optional. I just like the texture of those in the actual finished product. And then we found this powdered peanut butter. I feel like it mixes better than regular peanut butter. If you want to use almond butter, that's also another great option. So that's up to you. Pure vanilla extract, just for that flavor and for that smell. This is the protein powder that we love. I love the texture of it. I love the taste of it. The cost of it is good. We find it on Amazon. It's for $100 for this big tub. And then the topping that we use is just a few of the sunflower seeds and a few of the flax seeds just on top, not mixed in because it makes it kind of mushy. So we just put it on top for that extra little crunch, and it looks pretty too. So I will be doing this right now, and then I'll send a picture and I'll send the recipe. So I hope you enjoy it.